Yes, guys, this is 8 bags of feed, and here are the chickens. As you can see, they are so happy. So I want to say thank you guys so much.
What you just saw is a fellow sister from Jamaica that had reached out to me with an idea of starting a little business in Jamaica. You know, something to be self-sufficient, to take care of her and to take care of her family. And I told her no problem, I will help her, and brought it to my fellow channel members, subscribers and viewers, and couple YouTubers chip in, couple channel members chip in, couple subscribers and viewers chip in. And guys, what you just saw is what happened when people come together and help somebody in need, you know. And I have to really take this time just to thank you guys, all of you that have made this young lady dream a reality. I thank M. Morgan, Sam Whitley, E.M., Ron, Farmer Girl Jessie, and Bajan Britt. Yes, thank you guys for your tremendous help. You guys have made Deandra dream come true. She is very happy. She's very grateful for the help that you guys have given to her. You guys have shown her a lifeline, and you saw for yourself that your donation did not get squandered. You saw for yourself, guys, and word cannot express how grateful I am for all of you guys that have donated to help this lady, see her dream come true of starting a business. Guys, I feel so happy within myself, and it's not me. I can only imagine the joy that she is feeling right now, guys. Really and truly. But right now, guys, I'm gonna show you the entire footage of what she's doing, and also showing her appreciation and showing her thanks, and letting you guys know how grateful she is for all you guys have done. Run the footage.
Hi everyone, this is Life with Deandra, and I want to say thank you to Manix Robinson TV for all the help that he has given to me through his channel, and also to all the persons who are on his channel who have donated to make my dream possible and to make all of this possible. I want to say thank you guys so much. So I want to show you guys that I have also gotten the feed, 8 bags of feed. Yes, guys, this is 8 bags of feed, and here are the chickens. As you can see, they are so happy. Although 2 of them have died already, it's 50 chicken. 2 have died already, but we can't gain all. So I want to say thank you guys so much for making this possible. From you can see the cube and everything. So I want to say thank you guys so much. I really and truly appreciate this, and I'm absolutely grateful. Absolutely grateful, guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Manix Robinson. Thank you for also pushing me out there, and thank you to all the donors. Thank you so much, everyone. I really and truly appreciate you guys. Thank you.
So yes, guys, so she had brought the idea, and I put it out to the channel, and I told, no, this is what I told her. When she brought the idea to me, I told her that, guess what? This is your dream, and this is your vision, you know, and you're gonna have to do some work. You're gonna have to do some work. You're gonna have to do some of the work, because the good book said, the Bible said that faith without work is dead. You cannot have faith if you don't want to do no work. You have a lot of people out there that are asking people for help, and they just sit down, chop their tent, fold their hands, and drinking coffee and tea and drinking Kool-Aid while them expect you to do all the work. I don't believe in that nonsense, guys. If you ask for help, and the help that you're asking for is where people gonna have to donate their hard-earned money, I am expecting you to do some of the work too, man. And I let her know. I say, hey, you got to show the effort, man. You got to show the effort. And guys, she clean out the place where the coop should go, and she go and she chop the wood and all of that stuff. And members saw it, and couple members, they donated money to buy the blocks, the cement, and the mess to start our phase 1. Bless up yourself, Sam Whitley. Bless up yourself also, EM. You were the first two to chip in to start our phase 1 to get the thing off the ground. And then phase 2, you guys chip in again, you know, to buy the chicken and to buy the feed. And guys, she's at the place right now where, you know, she is good. She's good now. You saw in the video where she bought up, where she said that she bought up a good amount of feed, and you know, she stock up herself right now. So she's gonna have feed to feed the chicken and to feed the chickens until they reach the stage where she can sell them and, you know, make back some money, make a profit, and then buy back more to, you know, to keep the thing going. And that's what we want, guys. And I know that the donors, when you see something like this, you guys are super happy to see that your money is not your money wasn't squandered. Your money that you have donated has been invested in a business that I know, and I believe in myself that this young lady is gonna is gonna have it for a long time. And I pray that, you know, she remain vigilant, remain laser focused in what she believes that it's that is her vision of having a small business. You know, words cannot express how grateful I am to you guys. Thank you again. Thank you again, Sam Whitley. Thank you again, EM. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, M. Morgan. Yeah. Thank you, Bajan Britt. Thank you, Farmer Girl Jessie, for all the donations that you guys have contributed to this young lady in Jamaica. And you see for yourself, your money, squander it on nonsense. She invests your guys' hard-earned money in a small business, you know. Thank you again, guys. Thank you again, guys, for believing this young lady. Thank you again for making that sacrifice to donate out of your hard-earned money to this young lady in Jamaica. Words cannot express how grateful I am for what you guys have done. Yes, bless up yourself, Deandra. You know, faith without work is dead. If you have faith in something, you have to have the work, and you push out the work, and the people them see, the viewers them seeing now that, yo, you are committed to seeing the vision through. And, you know, all God's blessing to you, my sister. And I pray that everything work out for you, work out for your family. And I pray that this lifeline, this investment that the viewers have invested in with you, I pray that it may be a long-lasting investment that will catapult or to elevate your family to a higher level in life. All right? Bless up yourself again, guys. I'll have to call the name again. Sam Whitley, EM, Ron, Bajan Britt, M. Morgan, Farmer Girl Jessie. Bless up yourself, guys. Bajan Britt. Thank you, guys, for your tremendous and your awesome donation. And yes, for those of you, yes, that watch the video and let me get paid also out of that money, I was able also to donate a portion of it to help her out, and, you know, to make her achieve her goal. So all of you guys had a part to play in it. With that said, I thank you guys from a grateful heart. And you saw for yourself that your money, your investment did not go in vain. You saw it for yourself, guys. I'm going to run the video again and let you see it, and let you see for yourself that little is much when God is in it, and when we throw a lifeline, guys. Nothing is wrong with helping. We know we cannot help everybody. We know we cannot help everybody, and we know that there are culprits and scammers and ginnals out there. But, you know, it's a risk sometimes that we all have to take, you know. But this sister in Jamaica, this young sister in Jamaica, she didn't ask so much, guys. She only wanted to start a little business. And you guys hear the call, my God, and you guys answer. Guys, I am seriously grateful. Thank you guys for answering the call and for making my sister dream a reality. God bless you all. God keep you. God bless you. And let His grace continue to shine upon you guys that have sacrificed out of the little that you have to make this sister dream a reality. God bless you guys. Have yourself a good one. All right? Until I see you again on the next video, blessing and peace to you. Run the footage.
Hi everyone, this is Life with Deandra, and I want to say thank you to Manix Robinson TV for all the help that he has given to me through his channel, and also to all the persons who are on his channel who have donated to make my dream possible and to make all of this possible. I want to say thank you guys so much. So I want to show you guys that I have also gotten the feed, 8 bags of feed. Yes guys, this is the 8 bags of feed, and here are the chickens. As you can see, they're so happy, although 2 of them have died already. It's 50 chicken, 2 have died already, but you know, we can't gain all. So I want to say thank you guys so much for making this possible. From, you know, you can see the cube and everything. So I want to say thank you guys so much. I really and truly appreciate this, and I'm absolutely grateful. Absolutely grateful, guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Manix Robinson. Thank you for also pushing me out there, and thank you to all the donors. Thank you so much, everyone. I really and truly appreciate you guys. Thank you.